Google Ads for lawyers need advice on lead generation campaign performance. Hi, Lee, it's been a week now for my first lead generation campaign on Google Ads. Congratulations. For a lawyer, and I only got 4 leads. The campaign setup is as follows: one campaign with lead generation objective, two ad groups, one for divorce, one for business law. Each ad group contains a minimum of 15 keywords and each has one ad. Bidding is maximize clicks, conversion tracking form fill. I'm driving traffic to our landing page. Here are my data points for the week: 223 clicks, 3K impressions, 7.33% CTR click through rate, 4 conversions, and cost is $40. The CPC is cheap in my country, so $40 per week is decent. What can be the problem? I have reached to eclectic on optimizing the campaign, but I'll have some additional insights on what might be affecting the result. So I think there are a few things which are cause of concern and maybe the reason why you are not getting good sales through. First of all, as you told, you have 15 keywords. So in my opinion, you have saying a minimum of 15 keywords. I say a maximum of 10 keywords, and all should have same intent. Now, this is where majority of the people confuses. The intent of the keyword should match with what user is searching. Ideally, it's one keyword and one ad. So for each relevant intent, we can cover up. Also, when you are trying to have a lot of 50-60 keywords, I assume that you have 15 keywords and two ad groups, 30 to 40 keywords, because you said that's a minimum keywords. So 40 keywords are actually saying just two ads. 40 people thinking differently are seeing two ads, which makes that the message match and attention match, it does not equal. Plus, I also think that you may need a specific landing page for your divorce business and for a business law. Although both should interlink with each other, but I think that you need to have a separate landing page. Try to understand the intent of someone who is thinking, who is in a particular position or a pain. For instance, someone is a divorce, got a divorce, unfortunate incident, and he is looking, or he or she is looking for a divorce lawyer. So it needs a specific message. So you can't have both in the same landing page. For a business law, someone searching for a business inquiry or some need legal assistance in their legal matters is a completely different thing than the divorce. So I do not think that you will need to have a same landing page for both of them. So this is where if as a Google Ads expert, my opinion differs. Apart from this, bidding strategy maximize clicks may be good for now, but we may ultimately have to change it to maximize conversions. And let's discuss on, I will come to these numbers later on. Let's discuss on the 4 leads you have got. What were the keywords? What are the ad schedules? What were the timings? What were the days? What was the location? Try to sort it down, narrow the data, and create specific campaigns depending upon your location and data. Marketing is about analytics, testing. So your deep down focus on this is very important. Also, what your competitors are doing is another important perspective we need to look on. Let's say if someone needs a lawyer, and if they do not go with you, with whom they will go. So we need a comparison with those and why they will choose them over you. If you try to understand this message, this can help you in actually explaining if you are lacking in our USP or something. Now coming to the last part, and that is data. 223 clicks and 7.33% CTR. Now CTR is very good. I have seen cases where the CTR is not not very good, but here the CTR is extremely good. I'm very surprised with the CTR, 7.33% CTR, but the conversions are very low. So it means that they are expecting something, and when they land on the page, that expectation is not being fulfilled. Try to understand that even though it's a conversion tracking lead generation campaign with a target of form filling, so there is a confusion with your ad message and your landing page message confused, or your landing page form does not actually maybe attractive, or maybe something losing interest somewhere, something. So this is another important perspective. Lastly, I think that separate campaigns for different locations along with ad schedules, device bidding, and a look on negative keywords and search terms are very important to optimize your campaigns, and can be a few of the reasons why your lead generation campaign is not working for lawyers. So yeah, I hope these can be the things you can address on. And if you or anyone needs a professional help with the Google Ads, we are a full-fledged digital marketing agency and offer a lot of range of services including Google Ads, audit, setup, and monthly management. and website development. In case if you need either of the service, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we will definitely love to work with you. So I hope this answers your query, and we look forward working with you. Take care, bye bye.